Interesting octopus facts you probably didn't know about. First of all, they are remarkable creatures with 3 hearts, blue blood, and exceptional camouflage abilities. They can change their color and texture to blend in with their surroundings, displaying mastery in disguise. They also possess impressive problem-solving skills and can escape from enclosed spaces, showcasing their adaptability and intelligence. Octopuses, with their intricate nervous systems, also exhibit a high level of cognitive complexity. They have been observed using tools, such as coconut shells, to create shelter for defense, further showcasing their intelligence.